Now let's take a look at the overview for Acronis Cyber Disaster Recovery Cloud and its features. The design of Acronis Cyber Disaster Recovery Cloud is to really simplify for end users what typically is a very difficult thing. And what makes it nice for service providers is this is an easy upsell add-on on top of our existing services. It is built on any of the products that we have that have Acronis Cyber Backup Cloud, which of course includes Acronis Cyber Protect. It is designed to be a turnkey solution and it's SaaS-based. Everything lives in the Acronis cloud, and it enables your partners to have disaster recovery in just minutes. From the time you sell it to the time they have it enabled, very quick. If they need to turn it on for themselves, very quick. It protects both virtual and physical workloads. And what's most important is it gives you disaster recovery orchestration. You can design runbooks that will turn on one system before turning on another system to make sure that by the time you're done running your runbook, you have an up and running system in our data center. So the idea is to give you a boost to your business with a turnkey service that's built on top of things you're already going to be selling anyway. And you can turn this on for any customer at any time. The way that it works is that the customer, of course, has all of the data on their site. We establish a secure VPN back and forth so that if they only need to bring over portions of their data, we can continue to talk back to the original data center. And we have two kinds of data that we can do for them, hot data and cold data. The hot data we call a primary server, allows the system to be up and running at all times, immediate instant failover, 100% uptime type situation. Or you can do cold storage where we can take your backup and turn that into a ready to go disaster recovery in just a few minutes, but you don't pay for all of the storage that is being used while you're not having an emergency. One of the important things to mention about this system that makes it much better than a lot of things that we otherwise be doing out there, it includes failover testing. A lot of times people are building their own system. They're writing a bunch of scripts, but the only way to test it is to actually shut a system down. Ours includes failover testing that involves a sandbox so that you know that your systems are going to work without having to take down your production system. What are we able to recover? Well, just about everything you saw in the backup window. We have all the Microsoft products, all of the different virtualization solutions out there, all of the applications that your customers are really most interested in having 100% uptime, including Microsoft SQL Server with the ability to do even a always on situation for real-time application replication so that you can have 100% uptime on your most important applications. This allows your customer to have a lot of peace of mind knowing that if something were to go down, within a few minutes, they'll be up and running on a data center. We also, as I mentioned, include runbooks. Runbooks allow us to make sure systems come up in the appropriate order and that they have all interdependencies between those systems addressed before completing the system. We also have the ability to test the runbooks as well as the individual items that need to be tested.